Hello everyone. This is Aditya Kumar Tiwari, a second year bachelor's student from Galgotia's College of Engineering Technology, which is situated in Greater Noida. You can say educational hub of Western UP or anything else. So, I'm going to present a session on a very revolutionary topic which was crafted. Yeah, I'm right. Which was crafted by Amazon Web Services, and I will tell you that why it became a revolutionary product itself, and I will also tell you how it works and how to use it in more efficient way, and give you a brief about whole this concept about Amazon Kinesis. So, without further ado, let's jump onto the topics. So first of all, I will let you to imagine things because imagination brings some sort of thinking skills. So I would let you imagine that you have a manufacturing plant which is situated in your city and you have a lot of machines with sensors on them. Uh, as there are sensors on them, so they keep producing a large amount of data, for example, like of pressure, temperature, or whether it's solidity or anything else. They keep producing a bunch of real-time data. Okay, but what is actually a real-time data? So, a real-time data you can say is a sort of information which is keep generating over the time and keep updating over the time, and which is also available at same time when it is updating. If I give you an example, let's say of stock market trading, real-time data is very crucial for investors to decide their profit or loss, split second decision making, and a lot of things. If I consider about healthcare, the sensors about which are associated with our body, which keep updating the data about our heart, about our lungs. So, doctors depend on that data, that real-time data, and diagnose the patient and treat them as per the necessary conditions. So, real-time data plays a very crucial part in overall world infrastructure. So that's why real-time data is so much crucial. Now, you must be thinking that why real-time data needs to be analyzed. There are massive certainties for which real-time data needs to be analyzed, but I will tell you the major ones. Uh, for example, real-time data needs to be analyzed to identify opportunities. Yeah, you are right. Identify opportunities. Real-time data allows businesses to create the trends or to evaluate the trends and according to them uh, launch their products or something else. If I give you an example, let's take a example of reel. How did you get that these reels are trending or this trend is going on currently? It's all because of real-time data, which is analyzed by experts. The second one, in my point of view, is to detect anomalies. For example, there is a massive amount of system in your college, and there is one anomaly in any one system. So how will you get that? The real-time data keeps updating, and you will know that there is fault in this system. And the third one is optimize operations. Real-time data also help us to detect anomalies and according to that optimize our solutions regarding to different services. Now, uh, you must be thinking that, but what's about our motto? What is Amazon Kinesis and how it helps in real-time data analysis? So, this is a basic dashboard of Amazon Kinesis as you can see, and how Amazon Kinesis helps, I will going to tell you. So Amazon Kinesis is a product by Amazon Web Services which was introduced for data analytics. especially for data analytics. It helps us in data analysis, their processes, uh, excavating information from these data, and a many bunch of things. And to talk about how it helps users with real-time data. So there are few things through which AWS Kinesis helps users. For example, first of all, scalability. AWS Kinesis is a service which is very scalable. It can work on a huge amount of data, a very huge amount of data at a real time and with multi-platform support. And the second one is flexibility. AWS Kinesis can be used on any sort of data, whether it's video, audio, uh, some numerical data like stock market trading, or anything else. The third one is integration. AWS Kinesis integrates within other AWS services like Lambda, S3 to benefit users in that way also. The fourth one is cost effectiveness. As a cloud basic concept is pay as you go. If you use certain amount of things, you will pay according to that. So AWS Kinesis helps in that way also. The next way is real time trend gathering. So it also AWS Kinesis uses its main engine, and after that it just creates that this trend is going on or this trend is going on. So now let's jump on to the main features or main components of Amazon Kinesis through which the whole infrastructure works. So first of all is Amazon Kinesis data streams. Data streams. This service is introduced by AWS in which it simplifies the process of loading streaming data into AWS by using different shards or using different concepts by which it uses. The next one is Amazon Kinesis Firehose. It connects as gap barrier between Amazon data streams and Amazon other Kinesis services to sync the most of the data with other services also. Now, if we look at the third major component, Amazon Kinesis Data Analytics, it gathers the real-time data from both the sections like data streams and Vessel Firehose and create a visual representation of how this real-time data is acting upon so that users can make or guess a trend according to that. The fourth one, which is very useful in current scenarios, Amazon Kinesis video streams. So this component of Amazon Kinesis helps us in playing real-time video with fetching information from other sources as well as integrating with other sources so that the fluency of video can be played according to that. So this was the basic concept of AWS Kinesis, how it works, what is it for, why it is so important, and why it was so revolutionary product from Amazon Web Services. So thank you so much. This was Aditya Kumar Tiwari.